Hey yo, rats in the chat, everyone. Send rats in the chat. Hello, guys. Welcome back to another live stream. This is Ratworks 16 or something. Oh my god, what is wrong with my camera today? Just a spoiler. I ordered a fully HD webcam. Tomorrow or later, you'll see that the quality will be just like chef's kiss at some point, but I don't know when. But yeah, dude, I look so weird today. What is going on with me? Anyways, Sermons, what up, man? Welcome back. Recently, just want to say this in the beginning of the live stream because, because in case anyone is watching the recording, they will hear it first. So, recently there was a podcast episode where I talked about Ratatouille or whatever. So if you wanna watch that, go to Code to the Moon's channel. It's been a great episode, dude. Today is cold. I don't know why I'm tweaking, man. I swear to God, I didn't use anything. I'm not under the influence of anything. Okay, I have water here. Come on, guys. I have water, dude. The pH value for this water is absolutely insane. Look at this. Look at this. You cannot even read. It's 8.30. What the hell? I'm just drinking acid. Probably not acid, but the other way around. You get me. You get me. So, guys, today I just wanna... Dude, I'm literally tweaking today. Let me just set up this microphone properly. Okay. So today we are working on Mousefood, the embedded graphics backend for Ratatouille. And before that, I want to announce this live stream on my social. So give me a second, let me just do that so that we'll have more people on and we'll have more discussions and more interactivity in the chat. So let me just do this real quick. Okay. Oh shit, I'm just flashbanging myself. That's posted. That's posted. I'm literally posting on three different platforms, man. All right. Posted. Okay, great. Let me just turn on dark reader so your eyes won't bleed. All right, guys. So today, like I said, we have a backend called Mousefood, and we're just gonna work on some of the issues and PRs here. Oh, by the way, I need to maybe announce this, but in my thing, let me just find out. Okay, so we decided to move our ecosystem projects to the organization, the Ratatouille organization. So there's this discussion where I just basically bring that idea and just invite some projects to be in our organization. So Mousefood is from Yagoda, and she agreed to move it to Ratatouille, so now it lives under the Ratatouille organization. Let me just send a link to chat if in case you want to check it out. And apart from that, I also moved Ratzilla to Ratatouille, so you can see it somewhere here. So Ratzilla is also now part of Ratatouille. Whoa, yay, right? Great. Also, I wanna have Tachyon FX. What else? There are a couple of other projects that I wanna move here. Tui text area is also another one. Tui text area is, I think it's a bit different because it's not maintained anymore. I already texted the maintainer, the original author. I sent them an email, but they haven't replied yet. So I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to move it to the organization. Maybe we just have to fork it. But yeah. Anyways, so Mousefood is now part of Ratatouille. And I have set up the release please automation today. I will show you how it looks like in a second. Is image widgets part of Ratatouille organization? Oh, actually, that's not part of Ratatouille. You mean Ratatouille image, right? Actually, I think moving that would be also great, because this project is proven to be stable and active, and it's been used by many other crates, I think. Let me just check real quick. Thanks for bringing this up. I totally forgot about this one. So dependent 62 projects. I think this is good enough. Let's actually comment on the discussion. Another candidate is Ratatouille image, which proven to be stable and reliable. I think stable and reliable over time, which I think proven to be it has 60 plus reverse dependencies. Thoughts. All right. Thank you for the idea again. Totally forgot about that one. It's a pretty good crate. So yeah. Thanks for sending hearts. Whoever is sending the hearts, thank you. You just made my day. Guys, so I have set up the release please automation here. And one cool thing about this is there are like no token authentication. This is all done through Crates.io's trusted publishing mechanism. So if you go to Crates and Mousefood, and if you go to settings, you see trusted publishing is enabled, which means you can only publish this crate from this workflow, and the environment should be this value over here. This is great because, like I said, we don't have to manage any tokens or anything. You just kind of like enable this thing, and then you have this workflow, and then the workflow basically creates a PR for each release, and you go ahead and merge it, and it just works. So release please is magic, but also Crates.io trusted publishing is also great. I really don't like dealing with the token stuff, so it's great. I mean, look at this. And also it uses the Cliff Toml to generate the changelog, so it uses git cliff under the hood. That's my project, if you don't know. So yeah, this is an alternative to cargo release. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, you could say that. So let's see, simulator breaking, removed simulator feature. Why did we remove that though? I don't remember why we removed it. Let me just stop my Wi-Fi network. Okay. Okay, simulator features removed. I don't remember why it was removed, but okay. Let me just refresh my memory. I'm lagging so hard right now. What are we building even? I think this is Rust Analyzer or something. Copilot. Why Copilot using like 900 megabytes of RAM? Jeez. Simulation feature flag is somewhere incompatible. Okay, let me see. GitCliff is amazing, thank you for it. Yeah, thank you. I'm glad you're enjoying it. The stream is lagging. It's normal, man. I don't know what I'm building right now, but it's just like killing my machine. I'll try to mitigate that. 1 second. Let me just kill some stuff in the background. Okay. Enabling feature flag should never introduce a somewhere incompatible change. Current implementation can be fixed using specialization, but zoom stable anytime soon. Sorry. Yeah, okay. So I don't remember, but anyways, that's not the point. Export frame buffer to be consumed by integration crates. Configurable terminal. Oh my god, there are a lot of changes in this release. This is from me, I think. Default to wide, exposed terminal. I think we bumped this to Ratatui 0.30 or something. Yeah. Okay, cool. Going back here. I think that other than already open PRs, this needs better docs and fixed up doc tests. These are all ignored right now. Doc tests. Funding YAML needs updating, it's still pointing at me. Let me ask this thing over here. Which doc tests are you talking about though? I mean, we can just check probably. What is your color scheme, by the way? It's Kanagawa. Which doc tests are you talking about? I mean, the code base is not large, as you can see. Maybe it's these stuff here. Okay, I don't know. This needs better docs. Do we have a breaking changes MD? Do you mean something like breaking changes MD like we do in the main Ratatouille repo? Guys, do you like the music? Should I just change it because it's like too fast paced? Did you listen to the podcast? Yeah, I have a podcast, guys. Like it came out recently. Let me actually send a link in case anyone wanna like give it a listen. It was pretty fun. Like I really liked the conversation, so it was a good one, I think. Couldn't get what you mean here. Can you point me to those? I think, yeah, I mean, I don't want to like take away the credit. So I think, so guys, here's the thing. This repo was not a part of the Ratatouille organization, and then we moved it to Ratatouille organization, but the funding YAML file is still pointing to the original repo, so which means Yagoda's GitHub profile. I don't want to remove her and just add Ratatouille instead, because I think they deserve a lot of credit for creating this crate in the first place. So I would be fine just to keep the original sponsorship link. I think it's fine. I think this is fine. This is fine. I don't want to You still deserve credit for this. We could potentially add Ratatui org as another sponsorship option, though, if you want. Okay, there you go. Mousefood Ratatouille, absolutely. So, okay, that's that. Let's take a look at the other PRs, because we have some things laying around here. So we have color themes. This pull request introduces a new color theme system to the Mousefood embedded terminal library, allowing users to customize how Ratatouille colors are mapped to display pixels. The changes include a new color theme struct with built-in themes, updates to the backend to support color themes, and refactoring of color conversion logic. Colors can be remapped using color theme on embedded backend config. By default, the NC palette is used. So theme, color theme, and then you create the backend config, and then you pass in the color theme. Okay, that makes sense. Besides, the Tokyo Night color theme has been included as a built-in theme. Tokyo Night. I think this should be snake case, but anyways. Below an example of the ANSI and Tokyo Color Night teams working with the emulator example. That is pretty good. That sounds pretty good. I don't know if it's pretty good. Let's just check it out. So let's see. Oh, the doc tests. I think Yagoda means the ignore. What? Ignored? Nope. I don't think those are ignored. Anyways, color theme. Colors can be remapped using a color theme on embedded backend config. Okay. What is... Okay, let me just pull the changes to my local environment. Let me just pull them. So I don't... First of all, what is this for thing though? So let's go to backend RS and then under 9. What the hell is this thing? This is the first time that I'm seeing this. What the hell? Iteration with in, trait implementation with impl or high. What the hell? Guys, we are getting deep right now. We're getting deep into traits. Is this from a standard library? Am I just like discovered? Did I just discover something? What the hell? Did I just discover some hidden Rust language feature or something? Is this like defined somewhere? Oh my god, what is going on here? It's new. What is it? Ferris, you gotta tell me, what is it? For keyword. Oh. Implementing a trait on a type is similar to implementing regular methods. The difference is that after we put a trait name we want to implement, then use the for keyword and then specify the name of time we want to implement the trait for. No, this is not what I mean. No. Ferris, you gotta share what you know. Ferris, you gotta just let us know what you know, okay? I'm just stuck here. I gotta know what you know, okay? I'm being left out here. You know the new language features apparently. What the hell? Where is this thing even coming from? Okay, we gotta just click the link then. It's a nightly feature. It's called higher rank trait bound. Okay, let's just higher rank trait bound. Oh my god. It's an actual thing. Okay. Oh my god, yeah, it's a, yeah. For us, those event trains are a little bit magic. For instance, we can write the following code. If we try and naively desugar this code in the same way that the lifetime section, we run into the same trouble. For can be read as for all choices of A, and basically produce an infinite list of trade bounds that F must satisfy. Intense. Intense. Okay. This is the first time that I'm learning this. Alright. There are many places outside of the event trace where we encounter HRTBs, and even for those we have a nice magic sugar for the common cases. In summary, we can rewrite the original code more explicitly as... Interesting. So it's just like kind of a loop for satisfying all the trade bounds. Jesus. So what is this trade bound? So for C is pixel color, some RGB conversions, and for each term color, what? Oh my god, this is so magic to me. All right, let's just take a step back and just re-evaluate this code. Thank you for the tip, by the way. Linux Mobile. Every day I'm learning new things. I never used that thing myself. Oh, you mean for, I thought of use. Yeah. For. Colors. Wait, where is this thing defined again? Color theme. Anyways, I think exporting this from the prelude is fine. This is also fine. Heap buffer. What's the... so what is term color first of all? And this is defined in colors. So we created a color theme struct. That makes sense. This is there's a typo here though. Tokyo Night. Alright, we started a review from here. We just fixed a typo. Resolve. What is the resolve doing? It takes a color and color type and then just returns something. What are the spaces here? What the hell? Oh, it's just for readability. Okay, anyways. The color theme default is ANSI. Can you move this right after the struct definition? But actually, I'm not sure. I think it's makes it more readable and easier to find. Just a nitpick, guys, just a nitpick. So term color type. So before, term color is a color and term color type. Now it has a color theme attached to it with a lifetime. Why do we have a lifetime on that? It's clone and copy and clone copy. Interestation, decision, decision here. Bye. I'm back first. I'm back. I mean, I hope I'm back. Only OGs know about this, but sometimes at some point on every stream at the 40th minute my internet would just like cut off, like every time, and it just happened every time. Now it doesn't happen that much, but my internet just like kind of decides to, nope, I'm not here anymore. Only OGs remember those streams. I think it was like at least 4 months ago. But anyways, I'm curious about implementation decision here. Why attach a lifetime to the new color theme field? Okay. Before this, impulse from term color, we had that, but now we have this thing. Okay. Just some fix-ups here, I think. Test theme. Let's check how they test this. Test theme. ANSI. I'm not an OG. Yeah, fairs. Sorry about that. Okay, I think this is viewed. Frame buffer, let's see. HRTBS. Wow, first time seeing HRTBS in the wild. HRTB in the wild. Actually, I'm curious what happens if we remove the HRTB. Let's do that and see the error message, because this looks like, oh well, where's A coming from though? We could probably just like define it here and then kind of like let it just be like this. And then what happens? Why do we need to use HRTB is what I'm asking. So term color new, lifetime A defined here. Borrowed value does not live in long enough. Of course, but why? Well, I know why, but why HRTB is fixing that problem? That's what I don't get. Actually, 1 second. Alright, guys, you gotta just ask ChatGPT at some point, you know. Alright, let's see. I had this, then I added a lifetime to term color. Now I'm doing this, asking basic questions. But I don't know why I'm doing this. Without HRTB, I get this. Explain it like I'm 5. Boom. Best prompt ever. Rust is technically correct but emotionally violent. What? Term color borrows something from term color for C. I can turn term color that borrows A for into a C. The problem is where the A comes from and how long Rust thinks it must live. For any lifetime A, I can convert this into C. Wait, this just sounds like a hack to me. How is this safe? There exists one lifetime A and everything must leave that alone. Rust, cool, show me the immortal color theme. For any lifetime A, even a tiny one, I can do the conversion. How is this saying that? How Rust is saying this? Where does the safety come from? Okay, I get it. Where does the safety come from? The trait implementation itself is a proof that the conversion does not leak the borrow. Trait type checking. Okay, let's see the trait again. For every possible lifetime A, there exists an implementation of this. Wait, what do you mean? How do we... Okay, let me see the code. There must be something in the code where this thing is guaranteed. You know, there must be something there. Yeah, there you go. I think here. From term color for color type. So what are we doing here? For all RGB colors, we implement this. Import term color. I think that's where it is being implemented. Is this it? Maybe? Okay. So that's where we say, hey, I'm implementing this for every possible value, so just trust me, bro, or something like that, probably. But I'm still not fully convinced, to be honest. Macros. I think we should move that to macros then. Okay, let me just expand this here. Well, it's not part of macros for some reason. Import, what was it again? Import from term color. It's been there before this PR, right? Yeah. I don't know why this is in macros in the... Anyways, I'm not questioning it. Alright, so that's that. Just to understand this more clearly, is this giving is this for telling the compiler to trust me, I have an implementation? What was the word again? Oh my god, this is a bit... what did ChatGPT say about this? For HRTB, how should I say this? Compiler. I'm just gonna use ChatGPT for this. Don't worry about how long the bottle lives. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy this one. The conversion works for in lifetime and doesn't let it escape. And that safety guarantee is provided by the right. Okay. All right. We already checked this one. This is also good. So why do we have term color new? Okay, color theme. Color theme. GitHub issues more faster now, but code review not. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Like, why did I wait for 10 seconds just now just to see my comment? Like, what the hell was that? Anyways. I have some comments about the README. I think we could simplify it. Color theme. Tokyo night. Is it Tokyo night or Tokyo night? Which one is it? I think it's Tokyo night, right? Tokyo is the Tok.io is the async framework. They made a horrible typo here. Tokyo night. Oh my god. ANSI. Tokyo night theme. Let's find the web page for this. Is there a web page for this theme? Who created this theme? Who's the author of it? Let me actually ask. I'm just curious, guys. Who's the author of the Tokyo night theme? I'm gonna just go ahead and sponsor them. $5. Let's go. Guys, by the way, I'm fun employed right now, so if you could sponsor me, that would be great, guys. Come on, let's guys, $5, come on. I'm fun employed. Folke again, that guy, I know him. Okay, and Kia. Okay, let's see. I mean, that's the VS Code theme. I don't know. Like, and just do it like this. All right. Okay, built-in themes. Let's just apply this suggestion. All right. And theme. I don't know. We should have proper attribution to the theme authors, guys. We should have, like, we should know them, like, who's behind Dracula, who's behind Kanagawa, you know, like, I want to support them, maybe. We already gave code examples for this above. So listing the available themes would be enough. Look at the lag, dude. It's lagging like shit on GitHub. Anyways, why are we skipping the why are we skipping these? Why are we skipping these? Why are we ignoring these? Let's just say that. All right, this looks pretty good. Random question: is English your first language? No. How do I sound like to you? I'm curious now. I'm curious if I have an accent or not. I'm curious if I no. Don't do that. Don't do that. You're gonna get banned, bro. Don't be racist, guys. Hopefully nobody heard my accent slip out. I'm sorry. I am really sorry. Anyways, let's just move on. Let's just move on from that horrible moment and let's just come back to our nice PR. When was this created? Actually, December. I don't think we'll get an answer from this person. But I mean, this looks pretty good. Like I could just finish this up myself and just like include it in the next release probably. Anyways, let's just move on, guys. Let's just move on. It was a nice little PR. Not a little one, but like it was pretty good. It was pretty good. To me, really nice. I don't know. I'm from Argentina. I speak like shit. Bro, don't say that. Don't say that. I think you speak good English. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Okay, demo app. This is from me. Guys, we're gonna just review my own PR now. Let's just review my own PR. This is currently broken because of Tui Big Text not being on the beta Ratatui version. I think I can fix that now. Oh my god, this is gonna be so satisfactory. Now my English is broken because you guys complimented. Fuck. Anyways, let's move on with the broken English. This is gonna be very satisfying. Sorry. Jeez. Okay, add demo app. This is rebase on main. Okay, both modified cargo log. What happened in the cargo log file? Let's just include that. I don't know. I don't know what we're including, to be honest, but all right. Alright, let's just build it now. I think I will be able to finish this one up. I really want to just merge this. It's gonna be awesome. I don't know why I'm so hyped about this. Oh my god. I have 8 commits to rebase. Ah shit. I'm not doing all of this. Like abort. Nope. Just gonna merge. Git merge, man. Git merge main. Okay. What is going on? CI is updated. We can check what's popping there. So the checkout action is now at v6, or what is that? What? Clippy check. I don't know what to do here. v5, v4. What? Okay. You know what? Abort this one as well. X theirs. Boom. We got it. So Clippy check. Okay. This looks good to me now. So what was the problem again? Tui Big Text is updated. It needs to be updated. So Mousefood SD demo. Let's run cargo outdated there. Let's just find out what's going on in there. Guys, what do you think about my t-shirt, by the way? What do you think about my t-shirt? Rate it from 0 to 10. 0 eggs. If you know, you know, guys. If you know, you know. Okay, big text has been updated, so we could just go ahead and update it in the demo. Big text. It's so big. 8:1. Time, let's update that one too while we're at it. Alright. I don't know what it is. 0x. 0x. Thank you for rating my t-shirt. It's from Oxide. It's Oxide Computer Company. 1 second, guys. I'll be back. Gonna get some tissue. I just left my machine because I needed to wait for this freaking build. It's gonna take forever. In the meantime, I think we can just like commit this. Let me see why the clip is failing. I might be lagging now. It's probably fine because yeah, that's normal. I'm just like building 300 crates right now. And everything is so slow. Jesus. Everything is slow. Anyways, while we're waiting, guys, how are you guys doing? How's everything on your side? Sorry, I'm just texting some people on Discord. Interesting. What is interesting? Don't know if I'm allowed to send links. Unfortunately not, Simons. It's not a setting on my side. I cannot changing on YouTube interface. It's just like that and it's not documented anywhere. Sorry, it's just YouTube chat. I don't know why it's like that. That's the problem that we run into always. Like somebody tries to send a link and then they think that they send it, but no. Anyways, you could just if you're gonna send a GitHub link to like if you want to send a link, my brain just like fucking stops sometimes. Sorry. I was just watching the compilation step. If you're gonna send a link, just like send it without HTTPS or whatever. I'm working on Discord too in Rust using... Dude! I gotta use that. What is your GitHub handle? Let me just find it out. Maybe I saw that project at some point. I don't remember. Sermons. Okay, Ocarina to what? What are you working on? Let's just talk you for a second. Play the Ocarina. Dude, can I just say something, Simmons? Can I just say something? You look like this podcaster Tio1. You look like him. Sorry. I just gotta say, man, you look like Tio1. You know, the guy would just like talk some stuff on the internet. Theo, I think his name was Theo. Anyways, sorry. Sorry, I just wanted to say that because I mean, I see the resemblance. You're more handsome than him, though. Anyways, play the Ocarina of Time and Terminal. Oh my god. That is amazing. That looks fucking amazing. Can I actually post this on my socials after I play around with this a bit? I like how it looks like. I just need to see it for myself. I just need to see it for myself. Features. Oh my god, dude, that's amazing. I gotta save this for later. I gotta save this for later. Love it. Love it. You gotta actually record a video of this. I want to see how it looks, how it sounds and looks like. It's pretty good. Good job. I'm gonna watch all the activity if you don't mind. I just want to do that. Okay. Linux Mobile. Let's check your TUI. Why am I checking your profile, dude? You should have used TypeScript. Oh my god. Oh my god. You have a lot of anime in there, bruh. You got a lot of anime in there, brother. Damn. Okay, we're gonna find Oxycord. Let's check it out. What's FPL best license? Absolutely. What is anime? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Oh shit, man, that looks fucking amazing. That logo is. It gives me a lot of like 2D game vibes from back in the day. You know, like I get the exact vibe of Metal Slug. What was the Metal Slug something? Yeah, Metal Slug. I just get the Metal Slug vibes from this. Anyways. Damn. I gotta try this out. Okay, one question. What is the risk of getting banned if I use this? Because I know Discord is strict about third-party clients, and I don't want to get banned using this. So, what is the risk here? I saved your project, by the way, for later as well. Wait, I stalked your profile previously. I tried keystroke. Keystroke. What is that? I'm working on the keystroke right now to work better. Configure. The logo is handmade with Resprite. That's fucking neat. Okay, what is keystroke? Keystroke visualizer for Wayland compositors. Nice. I'm not using Wayland, so I cannot try this out. But it's pretty good. Okay, let's just export the ESP thing over here. Let's just build it. Guys, I feel bad because I don't build that much stuff these days. I feel bad looking at the projects. It's a weird feeling. I'm literally doing like maintenance work right now. I need to get this thing in the good shape before I can use it again. Like this Mousefood crate, I need to make it like, you know, no STD, like create a new release, polish the rough edges, merge PRs and so on before I can use it again. So that's why I am working on this, but I want to get back to doing stuff. Oh my god, so name errors. I'm not dealing with that, bro. Like, I am not gonna fucking find a freaking so name, place it in the right freaking directory or some shit like that. I'm just gonna commit this, okay? Bump the TUI big tech, bump the dependencies. Let's just call it that and just push it. The risk, it's hard to say. I was using Discord though in Go, never banned. I only got one account only, but Discord TOS doesn't allow another clients. Yeah, that's why I'm a bit scared about using third-party clients. Not sure if I should do it. How do you like? I could probably just read the documentation of the repo and just figure it out myself. But since you're here and since I'm just like lazy, how is the process of setting it up? Just like a token, or you log in, you add an app, or how does it work? Maybe if there was an app, but I don't think they would give like message access to apps, because you simply have to like do a lot of things, right? You gotta yeah, I don't think they would allow that. Okay, why did this thing fail now? Clippy. No, please just build, man. What? Custom toolchain ESP specified in override file is not installed. What are you talking about again? What the hell are you talking about? Guys, one sec. I'll read the comments. I just need to freaking fix this somehow. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Hey, Bruno, what up? I saw your interview yesterday. I'm an engineer, but I deal with .NET Angular, although I'm learning Rust. Any tips to contribute to OSS? Bro, just go and just build stuff, man. Just like get involved in projects, you know, join communities and just interact with people. It's like it is just that, and then you kind of like build those build on top of those connections. And you know, you can just ask people like, hey, is there anything that I can contribute? I'm new to Rust and so on, and they will just point you to issues. So you gotta just communicate that, and it will just happen over time. Don't stress it. It's not difficult. It's just like you gotta just like, you know, ask and get into stuff. Thanks, you seem like a great guy. Happy to subscribe, Macha. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. I like your profile picture. That's Fallen Angel, I think. That's a good painting. This week I was working on spoofing, so there's no risk of ban. In the unofficial documentation is how to spoof like Westop or any other client. For now you can only log in with the same token of the website to avoid any kind of banning. Yeah, I mean, I think that makes sense. If they don't track where you use the token, if they track that, then it's a bit like risky, I think. But I don't know. So what did we change here? Target. For some reason, oh, I think I fucked up the merge. I think I fucked up something while merging this. That's why this is happening. Damn. Let's see. Fix feature flags and imports. This is not related. I think at some point in this PR I updated the run Clippy for a specific toolchain. Install Rust stable. Okay, I think I fucked up the merge here. So 75. Install Rust stable. Clippy check. Okay, let's see this thing over here. So this is the merge commit. No, what is the merge commit? The risk is always there. If Discord gets aggressive, the risk is high. No risk, no fun. Absolutely. Okay, the merge is fine. It looks like I just like merged the cargo log file, which is fine. But why are we getting this though? Custom toolchain ESP specified in override file. What do you mean, brother? I have it over here. Rust toolchain. Do we have any other Rust toolchain? Nope. What the hell? What is going on here? So I think Rust stable set up extensor. What? Wait, what the hell? It's not even used here. I need to, yeah, there you go. Okay. Okay. Oh shit, now I see it. Okay, this is, yeah, okay, so run clippy action. I don't know how I fucked this up, to be honest. Which commit is this? We don't need okay, set up Rust. Alright, wait. Let me just do this. I'll do this. So now I'm kind of like trying to backtrace my stuff. Yeah, I fucked up the merge. That's why I'm trying to fix it. Cache. Where's the cache? Okay, there you go. The cache. Okay, so check out. Then we go ahead and install either stable Rust or extensor toolchain based on this value. Where is target? We use it here. Directory and name. Okay, so this should be good now. Run clippy. Well, we don't have clippy for Rust clippy. Okay, whatever. Set up extensor toolchain. This should be fine, I think. I don't know how I... Oh, okay. Okay, I see what I did here. I bring... Okay, this is just a merger. This is just a merger. It's gonna be fine, guys. Don't worry, don't worry. I got this. I just need to revert these changes, I think, because those are just unrelated. Let's see again. Alright. Let's do no diff because it's sometimes hard to read. Oh, DC. Okay, what? Toolchain. I mean, okay, I'm just gonna ignore the formatting changes here. Fix, set up, extensor toolchain properly. Boom. It's gonna be fine, and we're gonna get a green light and I'm just gonna smash that squash and merge button, guys. I'm just gonna squash that. Okay. Alright. I don't know why I'm so hyped about this. It's probably just fine. Alright. We're gonna wait now. Cool. Anyways, anyone else working on any rat projects out there? Anyone want to share anything with me while we wait for the CI? I'm all ears. And just so you know, if I find something cool, I'll just post it on my socials. It's not like... Yeah, I'm just warning you, okay? It's not like I want you to build stuff. It's not like I'm trying to flex or anything. Like, I'm just warning you, because if I post something, sometimes it's just like it's being seen by many people, and then you kind of like have a holy shit moment and then realize that you have 10 more issues to work on. So I'm just warning you guys. We have some stuff on Discord. 1 second. Oh, TUI widgets is now moved to Ratatouille, guys. So let's check that. That's great. Great to have TUI widgets. Where is it? Where is it? It doesn't show up here. TUI widgets. Yay! Now we have a collection of widgets part of Ratatouille. That's great. I love this crate. I mean, crates. This is from Josh, guys. Josh is another maintainer of Ratatouille, and he is just great. He's doing awesome stuff, and he's maintaining. I think now he works on codecs these days. I'm not sure what he's doing exactly, but he's been working on that for a while now. And yeah, TUI widgets is just a collection of widgets. He just like, okay, we're missing this widget, let's just create it, you know, it's just like that. Anyways, let's just find another mix, because this is getting too repetitive. Like, I've been listening to this one for so long at this point. Also, these liquid DNB mixes are like good, but after some point they just repeat, like they just like in the same loop, you know. I was using TUI scroll view for the TUI Discord, but I had to remove it because it was breaking a lot with the images. Okay, are you using Ratatouille image? I don't know, I have never used them in combination before, so I cannot really comment on that. Why is it taking forever, man? Okay, we can probably close this one issue. Exactly. Man, these builds are taking forever. Anyways, in the meantime, let's just move on to this PR over here. EPD wave share. So I roughly know what this is. But let's just check the driver. So I think this is the e-ink display, right? Okay, this is from who? Some random guy. Wave share. So EPD. Let's see, images. So this is the display, and this is like e-ink. So I think this is just adding a new backend. These songs are too repetitive. I need something nice. No, this is also bad. Okay, let me just go to this guy's channel. 1 second, guys. Let me just find the most popular mix out there. 500Ks? Damn. It's making numbers with these mixes, man. Alright, anyways. Are we good with this demo app? Come on, just cache already. I just want to hit the freaking squash and merge button over here. Alright, there you go. It's all green. We're adding the demo. Do you only listen to royalty-free music on stream? Actually, no, I don't really care. But I found a sweet spot. I usually play like DNB mixes, and I realized this guy's mixes is like non-copyrighted, so I don't get like copyright. I don't experience any copyright issues with these mixes for some reason, but the other ones I get caught, quote unquote. So no, I don't care usually, but these ones are I like it, and also it's not copyrighted, so I just play them. But most of my early streams are just heavily copyrighted. I make $0 from those. I mean, maybe I'll make like 50 cents from this stream if I'm lucky, or like 10 cents. It's nothing. I don't care about money, but you know, I just want to be out there, visible, and just build. What is that thing again? Build in public? No, something like that. You know, I just want to do that. But anyways, I'm just gonna squash and merge this one. Examples, add demo app. Boom. Let's go. Just gonna close this one out. Let's go here. Okay, cool. You're down to 6 PRs. That's great. Actually, probably okay. 1, 2, 3 PRs. Let's say. So, hello there. I tried to run Mousefood on a Waveshare display since it was lacking support. I tried my best to add it. It works fine on my project using Raspberry Pi Pico and Waveshare EPD 2BY9. Let's see what that is. That's the display. Can I actually buy this? I need to check some local websites. Let's just check some local websites. Maybe I could find the same model. Nope. These are raspberries, man. What the fuck? I'm just literally searching for Waveshare. Waveshare display. Yo, welcome. Simfo 1212. What up? Okay, there you go. I found it. It's touchscreen and it's so big, and also it's like 4,000 liras. I'm not buying that, bruh. What is it? Is it like... Nah. How about nah? Anyways, I cannot buy it. Can we change the implementation of from term color to use color white for off and... Okay. Okay. Since I had to make a couple of changes across multiple crates. Alright, seems like this is now in good shape. We gotta check the code again though. I just checked the backend and says something related to the graphics. This one is now for events like cross-term is no, it's for okay, let me just show you actually. So this backend, I'm lagging again, by the way. I'm just gonna restart my camera over here. So this backend over here is for... I gotta get a screen over here. So this backend is for rendering trees on displays like this. So if you want to render your terminal UI on this, you use this backend. Also, there are so many other stuff that you can do. I want to run stuff on this display too. Like I want to make this big. You know, always go big. And yeah, you can also like do a lot of other stuff, because this is basically wraps the embedded graphics, and embedded graphics is like more like an abstract layer. Not level, sorry. So you could just like do many things with this. Like you could basically render on anything that you can have embedded graphics. So yeah. All right, let's pull these stuff over here. Let's check the code as well. Ratatouille needs a bridge to render the buffer in embedded. Yeah, exactly. That's what we're doing. Okay, wave share. Yeah, there are a lot of backends. We have TUI UFI. If you want to build a TUI app in your bootloader. We have Ratzilla. If you want to build websites like this one. Today I moved this to Ratatouille organization, by the way. So you can build website like this. We have Bevy Ratatouille if you want to integrate integrate TUI apps in your Bevy game. There is Bevy TUI texture. You can literally do this. Look at this. You can literally just render your TUI like this. What the hell, right? What the fuck is this? What is going on at this point? So there are like a lot of backends. Do they all work on the same abstraction layer? If you mean like same logic as the terminal UI the rendering logic, yes. They all depend on the same like backend like abstraction of Ratatouille, so yeah. So wave share demo. I think this looks mostly good. No dependencies. Ratatouille or collecting repos like it was the Infinity Stones. Yeah. You're right. You are right, brother. Yeah, Tycoon FX is next. I think we're gonna do that tomorrow. Tycoon FX will come to the daddy. Okay, that was bad. That yeah, it will be there. It will be there. I'm a bit confused about. Okay, these are just workspace dependencies. All right, I think we can just merge this. I see very minor things. Let me just merge main on this. We gotta have this version over here. I have been entertaining the idea of running Ratatouille on a VT510 terminal, but it only has a serial port, so I think I would have to write my own serial port backend. Probably. One maybe good news for you is there is a similar project that you can check out. There's actually a video on my channel. I think this one. You could probably check out what they are doing because I think this is like kind of similar. I'm not sure, but look at this. You know, we're making out of the library with this one. Anyways, yeah, just try it, man. I mean, I think that would be great to have. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let me just fix these conflicts. Profile for non-root package will be ignored. Okay, we gotta remove the profile then. Let's just remove the profile, cause where's the profile though? Okay, there you go. What was confusing me was, for example, in React there's a reconciler which does diffing and it says same across all possible hosts render targets. We have a similar thing, so we handle those logic all in Ratatouille. Since Ratatouille is immediate mode, I thought the host specific code itself is Ratatouille like. If there's a different render target, that's a different lib kind of thing. No, actually the backend, like this whole like diffing and like painting the cells or something, that is all that's all part of the trait that you need to implement in your own backend. So you kind of like, you have this interface where you need to place some cells onto some canvas or something like that. We call that the backend trait. So there you go. So when you implement these methods on your platform, you can use the existing widgets and all the functionality of Ratatouille. So yeah, I hope that clears it, but let me know if you have questions. Yeah, Ratatouille core is where we have the widget. Yeah, I think we have the backend in the Ratatouille core, right? Yeah, there you go, the backend. The backend is where you need to look at if you are doing custom backends, basically. So you basically, you know, implement that and it works. Okay, this has been merged, I think. Git commits. Okay, let me just push this again. Where did I push it? Why don't I see it here? Okay, there you go. It's here. No? What the hell? Didn't I? Maybe I need to rebase again. Okay, let's just merge it. I am on Copilot right now. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. My brain is slowly melting, guys. Deranged. What is that? Crate sounds so deranged. Oh, come on. How many conflicts do I have in here? Jeez. I'll just remove the cargo log file and then kind of start over or something like that, dude. I should just like... Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Just merge abort. You know what? I'm just gonna git merge main x hours. Boom. That didn't work. Heapless. Okay, define twice. Just remove one of them, then come on. Okay, fuck it. That was a mistake. Just remove cargo lock and regenerate it. Come on. Okay, I'll check more in detail later. Thanks. Or another question, if you don't mind. Currently, I'm working on a third-party widget, and as I wanted to support multiple backends, it seemed tedious and repetitive. So I asked why there's no crate that abstracts the common backends using Ratatui. There is actually a crate like that. If I can remember the name, it's a part of the. Wait. Something input. Yeah, there you go. That's exactly what you want. Okay. I think this is exactly what you want. But I'm not sure. Just check it out. If you search for like Ratatouille event or something like that on GitHub, also you'll find a lot of things too. All right, commit again, push again. Why am I lagging again, bro? I just want to work on my little Rust code base, and this affects my life. Hope it covers mouse events as well. I have no idea. I haven't used it myself, but you could probably extend it. At least there is something out there, so it's good. Now I'm curious, actually. Let's check if they support mouse events too. Yes, kind of. Ask Oxide for new compute. Dude, I just gotta do it at some point, you know. I gotta get my Oxide computer. Okay, just approve and run. I think this is in good shape, by the way. But it's kind of awkward to generalize on them, though. I get it. I have events like dragging, which could be represented differently by different minds. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Why is it 2021 edition though? 2024. We're in 2026, guys. What the fuck is going on? Why is time is flying like that? It's kind of sad, bro. 2027 will be my year. I'm just saying that. I'm just saying, guys. I think I'm gonna switch to 2020 edition 2024. Wait, what? Where is the edition? Edition 2021. It's kind of sad though. Kind of sad though. I might just reorder these things to make them. Why is it like this though? Like we can just have a main over here and it would just work. why do we have like an extra definition of the main file? I have no idea. If the CI is good, everything is good, guys. Never forget that. If the CI is green, everything is... I don't know, I cannot think of a rhyme. Help me out here. It's fucking 1 AM. Does it smell wipe Cody? I don't know, man. Like, why do we have this thing over here? Like, I will just remove that, to be honest. Like, I'll just move main RS to... Okay, what did I do? I moved it to cargo. Nope, I just move it to here, actually. I'll just move it there. Okay. Okay, that's that. Build RS. Interesting build script. I'm not gonna touch it though. I think we have the same thing in some other place. Linker be nice. This might be part of some other template or something like that, I don't know. But okay. I'll be less nitpicky about this. Maybe we could check the readme. Looks very similar to the other one. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay. Looks good. I mean, nothing to remark here. Not sure why we have the separate main function though, but I'll just change that. Wave share colors and so on. Looks good to me. Let's check the code in main though and check that. Let me just check that thing over there. Oh my god, 200 crates, fucking hell. Alright, it won't build, by the way. I know that it won't build. Panic handler is just looping. That's great. This thing kind of like disturbs me, so I'm just gonna add a space here. I don't think adding an empty loop here is necessary, to be honest. Have you tried consider using global shared cargo target directory? One second, I'm trying to type. I'm literally trying to type. Okay, is this what you mean? Look at the size. Is this what you mean? Because yes, I have considered that. I'm using that, and now I am unconsidering that because 710 gigabytes of crates is insane. So I don't know. If you want 710 gigabytes of crates, I got you, man. I got the big package. I have downloaded the universe. Do you have an estimate on the time you waited for us to build totally in your lifetime? It's at least like my total lifetime, or since the time that I started using Rust. If you're saying like since the time like that I started using Rust, I think it's probably more than 30% probably, and my whole lifetime probably close to 1%. That's like 4 Chromium builds. Oh my god, dude. Fucking Chromium. I still don't know what to do with that project. Fucking Chromium, man. And that's the new measurement now. Imagine you have a client and they're like asking, hey, how long is it gonna take to finish this project? You're like, oh, don't worry, it's like two Chromium builds, like, don't worry about it, it's like 4 days or something. Or like, you know, on the big on the big scale of things, imagine like Amazon and like fucking, I don't know, Google Cloud or something. They have a like big clients and they ask like, hey, we need this infrastructure, how long it's gonna take you to set this up for us? And they're like, oh, don't worry, it's like, I don't know, like 110 Chromium builds. Don't worry, it's just sure, like, give us some time, you know? Jesus. Fucking computer's mistake, man. Let's just make this thing 2024 edition, by the way. Also, I don't like this formatting, to be honest. Any updates on Carbonal? Man, it's taking time because building Chromium, man. I don't know how to do it still. I need a machine to build it. If you have a machine that I can use to build Chromium, I can work on Carbonal, because I want to work on that project, but I mean, I can't. It's technical challenges, man. Technically, it's difficult. Okay, ESP Alloc has a new version. I'm hitting roadblocks. Where's the changelog for this now? Changelog MD, let's check it out. This mix is a banger, by the way. Let me turn this up a little bit for you. I did build it for fun and it took 3 hours on a 20 core machine. Did you really build it, man? Did you really build it? I want to believe that. I'm a part of the computer association at Linkoping. I probably butchered that. We could give you access to VPS for free if you want to build server. That would be pretty nice, but you gotta let them know I'm gonna build Chromium. I'm not sure if they're fine with that, or I don't know. I don't want to waste anyone's resources because this will take probably multiple builds. Yes, I borrowed a company workstation. Fucking hell, dude. It's good to hear, though. I mean, I'm glad somebody at least did that. The process is probably straightforward. It's just like running a couple of commands and it just happens. You just fucking wait, right? But I mean, still, I don't know. Simons, I mean, I would appreciate some help on this, but you know, I feel bad for borrowing something for, you know, just experiment. I'm not like doing any scientific research as well, you know. I would just feel bad because it's so silly to use like some university computer to build Chromium. You have free electricity from the university and get 15-year-old supercomputer parts from National Computer Center. Damn, bro. You know what? Let's not make this thing official. You just go there at a back door. We just like use the whole thing just to build Chromium, and we just do it all the time, man. We just like do it illegally. You just gotta do it illegally. I'm just kidding. Don't clip this. I think it would be a very fitting project. I don't know. Like I told you, I have a feeling that I would feel bad because it's so silly to use university resources to build Chromium, and it's just for a fun little terminal project. If there's not a borrow checker, you gotta borrow Orhun. Thank you for that message. It's now pinned. Okay, let's commit this, clean up the implementation. I'll check with the other admins if they think it's reasonable. That sounds good to me. Sounds good to me, although I still think that's very silly to... Okay, how are you gonna explain this? I wonder. I mean, don't put yourself in an awkward situation, you know? If you're close to them, go for it. But if you're not close with these people, I mean, don't bother explaining, hey, I gotta build Chromium because there is a binary inside of that called headless Chrome, and I gotta apply 17 patches before I build it so that I could inject my own Mojome service so that I could use that headless service inside a terminal to render certain cells. Don't do this to yourself. We already have taken a NixOS build service and that shit is really heavy. I can only imagine, bro. Yeah, I really needed a build machine, man. I need a build machine. I mean, I need that for personal satisfaction too, because listen, I'm building a lot of Rust stuff, you know. I need something. I need to get faster. I need to get faster with this shit. I gotta just offload myself, you know. I guess our only bottleneck is network bandwidth, but I guess you would only pull in source once then jog. Yeah, I think if you have, oh my god, the Chromium source is more than 100 gigabytes though. No, I think I'm not okay, Ferris, you know this shit. So how big is your source directory? How big was it? Because I remember some like more than 100 gigabytes on the Chromium, sorry, Carbonel repo. Well, I'm not sure. Maybe that's just like ballpark estimation. It's like something else. Maybe, I don't know. So Ferris, you know this shit. Help us out here. What was the source? What was the size of the source stuff? Man, why does it have to be so fucking annoying? I didn't check. 150 gigabytes. Damn. That's depressing. That's really depressing. I wonder how big the Firefox is now. Firefox is smaller, I think, and more lightweight. I have seen stuff like that on the internet. I'm not sure about it though. Okay, I'm gonna just approve this. Thanks for the PR. Submit review. So what exactly are we touching here? I think backend. What are we touching? Let's see, Mousefood. I gave up after messing with the build parameters and I had to recompile everything again. I'll send you a Discord DM with details on this proposal. Roger that, man. If I could get like some machine, I would start the work on Carbonel, and I would probably first check out how possible it is to replace the Chromium with Servo, because that should be possible. Or what was the other browser engine thing? Not the servo, but something else. I'll probably check those things out. Oh, we're not building the example. One sec. We gotta build the example as part of this thing now. Oh, frick. I forgot. It's not using ESP-IDF, I think. Let's see if it's using IDF. Yes. No. Is it no STD? No STD. Yeah, it is no STD. That's good. So oh, maybe that's why. Oh shit. Maybe that's why it was a binary. Okay, wait. Rust no STD app. No STD template. Maybe I was just wrong. Okay, source main. Then it works in the main. Then that's fine. Okay, cool. Cool. We gotta check. I know that I'm saying so much, but anyways, so it's no STD. Gotta build this demo. Wave share. EPD wave share demo. Target is empty. False. Okay, now we will build this demo hopefully. So build the EPD wave share demo in CI. Alright, let's push it. Let's see if it's gonna build. I should probably add no STD suffix if this works. Let's see if we get a response already. It's probably gonna take a bit of time to get a response on that. Cursor support. Actually, I'm gonna take my time with this. I'm gonna see if this is gonna build. Okay, cool. It's now building. Okay, it's not no STD then. Because of what exactly? Okay, ESP. But I mean, what did we set up the IDF? Yeah, okay. ESP IDF bootloader. Okay, wait a minute. Maybe I can set up extensa, but target will be no STD maybe. Set up ASP toolchain for APD wave share example. Maybe this will work. I don't know. I'm just trying to find the parameters. find the right stuff for it. I was just about to merge this, by the way. I'm kind of lucky that I kind of remembered to run this in CI, because otherwise we would be totally lost on that. I mean, I assume that it's building fine because it builds locally, but sometimes that's not the case. Guys, I'm just yapping. Look at me. I'm too tired, but we keep grinding, man. Keep grinding. I'm just kind of fading away slowly. Only 2 PRs left. Guys, actually not 2, 3 PR. Oh my god. How are we gonna make it to 3 PRs? Anyways, let's just wait for this one. I'm not even talking about the issues here. I think this is gonna build fine. I have a feeling that it's gonna be fine. Okay, it's installing the toolchain. Alright, caching stuff. Well, it was real nice talking with you. Gotta go now. Take care, man. Thanks for joining the stream. And thanks for your offer to help me build Chromium. That's incredibly valuable. Finally, I know who to trust and who to not trust in my life, man. What the hell? Empty loop was wasted CPU cycles. Of course, I knew that. I mean, let me just remove that loop over there. 83. Let's just remove that. Okay. Take care, Sermons. There was a... what was it? Not loop, but some... playground. I gotta find that now. I wonder what that is. Give me a second, I'll find it. There was one little trick that we do to... yeah, tread park. Let's just tread park there. Let's just tread park. Let's just tread park instead. It might complain about the loop here again though. What the hell? There's no tread. Well, what do I do now then? Damn. Should probably draw inside a loop or something. I'm just gonna remove the loop. Remove empty loop. Okay, removed, run it again. Alright, let's go to this one now. Let's see. Guys, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna be a little quiet from now on, because I'm getting super tired. But I don't know if anyone's still watching the stream. You're watching the stream, say something, guys. Say something, please. All right. Come on, just give me the green thing. This also looks good. I just need to take a look at the tests and probably need to rebase or something. Okay, let's just go to main. If your Firefox broken, the pages seem weird sometimes. Which pages? Which pages you talking about? Maybe it's broken. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I don't know that it's broken or something. Come on, just give me the green CI. I'm just smashing that squash merge button. It's the extension probably. Yeah, the dark reader probably just breaks stuff. It happens. The next release for Mousefood will be quite big at this point because it has many cool stuff in there. No, don't fail. What now? Fucking hell. Don't do the empty loop again. Okay, what? Implicitly what? What the hell? Oh my god, what do I do? Expected something but returns nothing. Just return okay then. I mean, come on. No space left on device, of course, of course. Let's just remove some dependencies, guys. Give me a second. I'll just take a little break and remove some files. It happens like that. What the hell? Oh, the examples are huge here. Actually, I could probably remove all of these things. Let me just remove all the examples. Let me just remove all of them. Okay, should just free up 18 gigabytes. Fucking hell, 18 gigabytes. Freed up by just removing examples. Remove OK from main. Alright, push. Oh my god, this is the last attempt. It's gonna be fine, I feel it. Let's read the test in the meantime. So, display 0. Takes 2 displays. Render TV or Ratatui and then S directly to display retrieve from backend. Okay. Render test via Ratatui. Display 0 is equal to display 1. It's a good test, I like it. It's pretty clean. Is there any other tests in the backend module? Okay, just go back to here. Nope. Nothing here. I think I'm just gonna merge this after rebasing or something. No, not again. What's going on? Oh man, I should just run Clippy here. Fuck it. I'll just run Clippy and just fix all the errors, man. What the fuck am I doing? What? What the hell? Just loop it, man. Just loop it. Why am I getting no errors here? I think it's not building or something. What was the length again? Okay, just allow. Clippy, empty, loop. Oh my god. I just want to merge this thing, it's taking forever. Okay, we can also merge that. Guys, let's just scroll Twitter. Sorry, X. Let's just scroll this platform. I got 11 notifications. I announced the live stream here. We tried Brave. I feel like its dev tools are better. Probably. I haven't tried it though. If you guys haven't watched the latest video that we did with Code to the Moon, check it out. It's been a great one. I need to make shorts from it though. I need to make like highlights, something like that. Ratatouille. Which browser are you using, Bruno? Did I just approve this twice or something? No, not really. I'm just gonna fall asleep while waiting for those. There's Brave just for the dev tools as well as simplicity of having ad block integrated. That's actually pretty cool. I'm using uBlock, I think. But man, some websites, I don't know how they do it, but they basically pierce through the fucking ad block. I don't know how they fucking do it. Have you read the new Rust release notes? I haven't. I need to do that at some point. Should I do it first? Should I do it now? What do you say? Should we do it now? Is it that good, or is it like, okay, it's not a Rust release? I'm gonna do it based on what you say. You moderate the stream. You are... I didn't read my... Bro. Bro, do you want us to read it or no? Let's read it together. Or whatever you say. Whatever you want me to do, I'll do it. I'll do it for my best, bro. Oh, come on, dude. Come on, just build the fucking thing. Yes, okay, we are reading the Rust release notes, people. Rust 1.33, I think. No, sorry, 93. Alright. We have new muscles. Awesome. Allow the global allocator to use thread local storage. Config attributes on assembly lines. Damn, that's sweet. I like that. I don't know why you would use that, but if you need that, sweet, nice. I like it. Pretty cool. Stabilized APIs. Cargo. Let's check cargo actually. I'm curious about cargo. Enable cargo config debug assertions, environment value and build scripts based on profile settings. Add support for completing config values in bash. Cargo clean add workspace flag. Cargo tree support long forms of format variables. That's very relevant to me. Long forms, what do you mean long forms? Features, oh, okay, that's alright, it's not something super big. Cargo publish no longer keeps create tarballs. Okay. When failing to update or create log file. Cargo install. Okay, some fixes. Internal cargo util schemas. Okay. Alright, stabilize several S39 X vector related stuff. Alright, I think I read everything. Well, I just skimmed through it, but that's all. Let me know if I missed something groundbreaking. Have you ever thought of making videos explaining some concepts of Rust? Borrow check your lifetimes would be good. I think there are enough videos out there which does that. I could maybe nice reading. Sorry man, I'm just too sleepy for this. I could maybe do it for Ratatouille though, like I could explain some widgets, how to use them, or some new features. I could make a video for each release or something like that, you know. Not Rust specific though, because I think there are enough videos out there which does that already in a great way. Support EPD wave share. Ferris, just take a look at it yourself and let me know if I really just skipped something really important, because right now I'm not, I don't know, my brain's not braining anymore. Okay, we merged that. We merged that. That's great. I love how quick that was. That didn't take an hour. Right? That was very quick. Anyways, let's just go here. Let's just merge this one too. My brain is also exploding. It happens like that. It do be like that sometimes. Alright, I'm just gonna merge this one too. Let's take a look at this one. Mousefood display trait. This is the main pull request of 6.6, introducing a trait for display backends implement work with Mousefood. Okay, interesting. Okay, what's the status of this again? Seems a bit large and I feel like we lost the context. Yeah, I don't know. What is the status on this one? Let me just ping them. Ping pong. Let's just ping them. I don't know what's going on here, so yeah. Cursor support. Tests render cursor blinking, that will work with no STD. Okay, we gotta sleep. There's nothing in here. Yeah, I mean there's nothing in here. It's just like unfinished. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch that. But I did the things I could do. Example tests, modifier support, backend tests, implement backend cursor methods, set up code cow, make the config non-exhaustive. Examples. Okay, why there's like 17 comments on this one? I gotta read this at some point. Update docs after moving to noise TD. Most doc strings have to completely rewritten. Okay, I gotta work on that at some point. Add PR templates, that's easy. Add conventional PRs, check. Set up pre-commit hooks. Simulator crate, Mipet C crate. Not needed. I think this is already done in. Okay, it's that. I mean, it's mostly just small stuff, so I think it's all good. We can create a new release at some point. I'm just gonna squash and merge this. Okay, this is on backend. Add display and display mute methods to embedded backend. Alright, just merge it. I forgot to approve it though. Anyways. Okay. So many new stuff in here. Oh my god, what are these stuff? I think release please is generating a release PR from examples as well. But anyways, I have gone through all the PRs and I think I'm done for today, guys. So yeah. Any last words, anything you want to say to me before I go? I think this was fun. Ferris, are you still here? Yeah, gotta go now, man. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. This was fun. Just 2 hours of maintaining Mousefood and doing rad stuff. I'm out. I'll see you in the next one. I have cool projects coming up. Join grindhouse.dev. Let's go. Thank you for the link. Thank you for the link. Stay tuned, everybody. I'll catch you up with you later. Peace. I actually like PHP a lot. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I just like that language. It's just built for me. I found my peace, my happiness, everything in PHP. It's just like, it's so good. I mean, I write PHP at night times after 2 a.m. or some shit, and it's like, it's so fucking good, man. Like, it's even better than Java. And you know, my love for Java is so big. Like, it has, man, what is Rust? Come on, Java and PHP, love those languages. PHP is just like a special place in my heart.